Welcome to the TCM Weaver Challenge. We had some feedback that people were looking for a little extra guidance on how to use the Weaver, so we thought we'd have a little fun and we created this challenge. To get the most out of it, it's really best if you watch the video in one window, then open up a separate browser window where you can do your Weaver work. For the challenge and all of the videos included, I'm using the full version of TCM Weaver. If you already have a TCM Weaver account, feel free to use that too. If you're new to TCM Weaver, welcome. Glad you're joining us. You're going to have two options. First, if you want to try out the full version, you can sign up for your own account at tcmweaver.com and you'll get a free 7-day trial with unlimited access to the entire database. Otherwise, you can use the Itsy Bitsy Weaver. This is a mini version that we've created specifically for the challenge. It's totally free, and you'll get a limited data set designed to work with all of the videos in the challenge. To qualify for one of the three $50 Camo Herb gift certificates, you'll need to create an Instagram post of either a screenshot of your work, not mine, or your favorite takeaway for 4 separate videos. Tag at TCM Weaver, include hashtag TCM Weaver Challenge Spiderweb in the caption, and also follow at Camo Herbs. The rest of this video is going to be going over some of the technicals, how to open up a separate browser window, how to log into Itsy Bitsy Weaver, and how to take a screenshot. If you are comfortable with doing all of that, you can go ahead and move on to the next video. Good luck. For those of you who'd like a little more technical assistance, and I'm usually in your camp, keep watching. Let's start by opening up a separate browser window. For most computers, you can use the shortcut of using the Control key plus N, or you can come down to your browser icon and right-click and just open up a new window. I'm going to go ahead and resize this and drag it over. We'll just pretend like this is the video that's happening on the left, and here I am opening up the Weaver, or the Itsy Bitsy Weaver, on the right. You don't have to have your Say login. Mine will automatically go to this landing page otherwise. The email that you will put in is games@tcmweaver.com, and the password, let me make it visible for you. You want all caps, I-love-herbs. And that gets you into the Itsy Bitsy Weaver. Right now it looks exactly the same. As you work along with the videos, you may notice that certain files will not open because they're not supported within the challenge. So that's how you open up a separate browser window and you log into the Itsy Bitsy Weaver. If you haven't taken screenshots or snips before, there are a couple different ways depending on what computer you use. For Macs, you use the shortcut of the Shift key, Command key, and 4, and it will let you drag and select a custom area, and the screenshot will be saved onto the desktop automatically. If you're using a more micro-based program, then you can use the Windows key, Shift key, and the letter S, and that will bring up this little menu. You can either select the entire screen, or this allows you to select a certain part of the screen and take a screenshot of that. And then we have to do an extra step where it will open up this window, and then you will have to save that to your desktop. So this way, when you go to Instagram and create a new post, you can either drag or select your screenshot from your desktop to create your post. Just be aware that different keyboards, if you're using like an extra keyboard, they may use a slightly different combination for that. Now, if you're posting a favorite takeaway, then you can create a post either on your phone, on your computer, and then you could use something like Canva to create a post in and put that into Instagram. So those are the main technical items you need to know for the challenge. If you have any Instagram specific questions, it's best to search online or in YouTube to get current advice. Good luck and enjoy the challenge.